A bunch of students sitting in a classroom. Some are talking with each other, some are looking around, and some are studying. And then professor came and opens a jar in their bag. Place some of the big balls in that jar and asks, "Is that jar full or not?" Some are answered yes, or some are making fun of the act. Then the professor adds some little pebbles or little rocks, and then asks, "Is that jar full?" Some are answered yes, and some are asked many various questions. Then professor add some sands in that jar and then asks, "Is that jar now full?" And all the students are laughed and said yes. Then professor told that the jar is the life and you have to maintain your life like that jar. The big rocks are represented to the things that are very much important and that matters very much, or the full priority things like your family, your friends, and your passion towards anything. And those small rocks represents the work you done every day and you have to do every day, the everyday tasks or the less important but not unimportant tasks like your car, your house, and anything. And those are small sands that are the unnecessary part of your life or the unnecessary tasks that you are do lots of things like playing video games, playing and watching movies or anything in similar. You have to maintain those jar like you have to set the priority thing that the big rocks are most priority, then the second pebbles are the second most priority, and third the sands are less priority things. We always juggle around the sand part or the unimportant part. We wake up and do lots of things that are not matter very much or the unnecessary part, and we forget about the most important task or most priority thing to do. This is a theory called pickle jar theory. The pickle jar theory is a time management technique that shows the jar as the time that is limited or your life. You can take anything like that. In that jar, you have to decide what you are going to fill out. Every day we wake up and we fill out with the unimportant or less important work that we just regret of doing those but do every day, every single moment. This theory shows the jar contains big rocks, pebbles, and sands. The big rocks shows the most important works that adds value to your life. The pebbles are not most important works to do but less important works that you must do. The sands are the unimportant works that are not adding value to your life, but you have to do the tasks because you can't be always productive or you can't always be full of energy to do lots of things. You have to take a rest, and that are the time that are very most important the sand part. The idea around is this: there are lots of things in the jar, big rocks, pebbles, and sands, but look at the volume of each. Then you can find which one you can do first. If you argue why we only add big rocks or pebbles, just think. When you add big rocks, then the jar would break, and that's the idea behind it. You have to mix all the things, the big rocks, pebbles and sands in your life, and give priority according to the space or the volume that acquires in that jar. Thanks for watching this video.